Hello everyone, welcome to Manual Education. So in this video we will discuss preparation right from final year of graduation for Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. Guys, I hope आप सबके final year के graduation classes चालू हो गए रहेंगे and you have one full year for preparation of your graduation as well as your B.Ed CET examination. Guys, this is a right time to prepare for Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination as well as your graduation, because if you start early your preparation then you have very high chances to get admission into top B.Ed colleges. So in this video we will discuss how you should start your preparation, what are the strategies are there to prepare for Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination, as well as how you will get top colleges. Okay, so before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination for 2022 and 23. So in this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut tricks, doubt classes will be there, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved, 10,000 questions for the practice purpose, and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting, guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455, or you can visit to our website manuredu.com/B.Ed entrance. So now guys, let us discuss points for Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. So very first we will discuss about syllabus and paper pattern of examination. After that we will discuss about strategy for Maharashtra B.Ed CET exam preparation. After that we will discuss about study material, mock test and revision, which is very important for examination. After this, motivation. Yes, this is also very important factor to crack B.Ed CET examination and to get admission into top B.Ed colleges, because many of the time in between your preparation you feel low, you feel pressurized. So at that time motivation is one thing which will keep you going. That is why motivation is very important. Okay, after that we will see top B.Ed colleges in Maharashtra. Okay, these all points we will discuss one by one. So let us discuss about syllabus and paper pattern for Maharashtra B.Ed CET exam. So very first guys, आपका एग्जाम B.Ed जनरल प्लस ELCET होता है. ELCET, it is for English medium colleges. Okay, so in general B.Ed you will have mental ability and number of question will be 40 and maximum marks is 40 marks. After that general knowledge will be there, number of question is 30 and maximum marks is 30 marks. After that teacher aptitude, yes, B.Ed exam has so all the teaching aptitude, teaching concept, teaching methodology, these questions will come. In this section there will be 30 question and it will also carry 30 marks, and total 100 question will be there and for 100 marks. So this is for B.Ed general. And if I talk about ELCET, then it comprises English language content test. In this you will have very first reading comprehensions that will carry 20 questions. After that vocabulary focus that will carry 5 question. After that grammar focus it will carry 8 question. After that sentence formation it will carry 7 question. After that phonetics it will carry 3 questions. After that verbal idioms and proverbs it will carry 5 questions. After that figure of speech it will carry 2 questions. Total number of question is 50. It is for 50 marks. So it is 100 plus 50. So total is 150 marks का आपका पेपर होगा. Those who are giving B.Ed as well as ELCET examination also. Those who are not giving ELCET examination, for them it is only of 100 marks. Now after this the total question is 100. Total time is 90 minutes. आपका जो B.Ed जनरल का एग्जाम होगा it will of 90 minutes, and for ELCET you will also get 60 minutes. Okay, and exam will be online mode, computer based, English as well as मराठी मीडियम में आपका एग्जाम होगा. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट syllabus and paper pattern for Maharashtra B.Ed CET examination. After this we will discuss about strategy for Maharashtra B.Ed CET exam. So in this we will look at how you will strategize your preparation, what are the things are important before starting of preparation. Now very first, understand the syllabus. Complete understanding of syllabus is one of the most important thing, because you should know कि जनरल नॉलेज में क्या आएगा, टीचर एप्टीट्यूड में क्या आएगा, इंग्लिश में क्या आएगा, मेंटल एबिलिटी में क्या पूछा जाएगा. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स यू शुड नो. सो दैट इज वाई कंप्लीट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द सिलेबस इज रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ आफ्टर दिस, timetable. You need to make your own timetable. Every individual has different strategy for studies. some may study in the morning time and some student may study in the night time. So you need to devote your time according to section wise. मेंटल एबिलिटी में आपको कितना टाइम देना है, जनरल नॉलेज में आपको कितना टाइम देना है, टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड में कितना टाइम देना है. सो यू नीड टू मेक योर टाइम टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. Now after this, start your preparation for the exam. So this is very important. After understanding the syllabus, you have made the timetable. Now you can start with your exam preparation. So this is the strategy for Maharashtra B.Ed CET exam preparation. Now study material and mock test. For preparation, you need to have three important things. First is books and study material. Right study material and proper guidance is required to clear B.Ed entrance examination and to get admission into top B.Ed colleges. Second is mock test and topic test. So mock test and topic test से आपका continuous evaluation होगा. You will learn about time management. कौन से section में आप weak है, कौन से section में आप strong है. You will learn about all these things. You will be confident about the examination. This is how mock test will help you. After this, revision. Okay, revision is the key because आप पूरे साल आपने प्रिपरेशन किया एंड इफ़ यू डोंट रिवाइज तो आप भूल जाओगे. जैसे जैसे आप पढ़ रहे हो वैसे वैसे आपको रिवीजन भी करना है. नाउ आफ्टर दिस, कंटिन्यूअस motivation. As I said earlier, during this B.Ed CET exam preparation as well as graduation exam preparation, you feel sometime high pressure, you feel low, you feel demotivated. So continuous motivation is also required to get the success. So at Maneuver we have mentors who will help you, who will guide you and who will motivate you. You need to work hard for your goal. Now we will discuss top B.Ed colleges in the Maharashtra. So these are some top colleges like Bombay Teacher Training College is there, St. Xavier Institute of Education, KJ Somaya College is there, Srimati Surjaba College of Education, Adarsha Comprehensive College of Education and Research, PVDT College of Education. So these are some top colleges of Maharashtra for B.Ed. So this is a ultimate goal of yours. Now guys, if you want to prepare for B.Ed entrance examination for 2022 and 23, then you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Okay, if you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.